Hi, I'm Dr. Leela Mohan. I'm MBBS MD General Medicine Physician. I have my own center called as Padithem Healthcare, which is located in HSR. Skydiving and paragliding, definitely you have to enjoy in this holiday. But before enjoying, I'll let you know who and all should not participate in skydiving and paragliding. The mainly people who are suffering with the heart diseases has to consult their physician before participating in this, and then only they have to do this skydiving and paragliding. And people who are suffering with epilepsy and uncontrolled hypertension, and if they are having any balancing disorders like vertigo, all those things, and mainly the pregnant ladies or the postpartum ladies, like whatever it is, the pregnant ladies, definitely they should not do the skydiving and paragliding along with the other things as said. And people who underwent recent surgeries also should not participate. And age and weight, there are certain rules and regulations for skydiving and paragliding. If they limit the age, we have to make sure and ensure the age is fulfilled, and the weight also, usually they will prescribe a weight. Depend upon that weight, you have to select the skydiving and paragliding. Alcohol and drug use, definitely you should not consume alcohol at least 12 hours to 24 hours prior before doing skydiving or paragliding, and even tobacco usage also should be avoided if possible, which will help you in enjoying your holiday. It's really unsafe to participate in these activities when you are really intoxicated. So fear of heights or flying. If you have any fear of heights or flying, definitely you should avoid these activities. Otherwise, you may have to face the consequences. So safety tips: choose a reputable operator. The person whom you are going to get perform this skydiving and paragliding should be licensed properly. Their expiry of the license should be checked, and whether they had got appropriate permissions, all the equipment is good or not, everything by their government, everything it has to be make sure before getting into this activities. And listen to your instructor whenever they are instructing you some things. Just listen to them and completely concentrate on what they are saying. So wear a proper gear, like whatever they had given the gear which has to be used, all those things, it has to be used properly according to the instructors. And the weather conditions also has to be checked before you go. The weather should be appropriate. If it is too cloudy or if any thunderstorms, if anything is there and all, better you should avoid such activities which will not definitely help you in enjoying your holiday. And the tandem jumps, if you are a beginner or not experienced, try not to perform all these activities, and ask certain small questions to your instructor, like what has to be done, how it has to be done, and avoid over exertion and excitement also, which will help you in avoiding unwanted scenarios in your holiday trip. Stay hydrated and do a good diet, have proper food, and how much is required, definitely you should have that much only, because during this jumps, all those things, you may feel nausea or vomiting, which will cause completely distress. And saying this, but don't be without eating. Definitely you should have food, but that should be in a limited quantity. And before doing all these things, understand the risks and perform your activities and enjoy your holidays.